I love doing this. It's very exciting. Flying the drone itself is in its own exciting, but more to that, it's also um, really interesting to see how you can apply things that you learned in school. It's exciting to see how such knowledge can help eradicate poverty, solve problems in the society. My name is Elijah Cheriot. I work for SIP Nairobi, International Potato Center in Nairobi. We are now here in Mwanza, Tanzania, particularly Misungu district, to carry out a field visit here, and we need to collect some remote sensing data for our analysis. The technology SIP is developing is aimed at obtaining crop statistics. This will benefit smallholder farmers through the interventions of national institutions like Elzardi in Mwanza or governments, because these institutions need crop statistics in their districts for planning. They need to know how much of the crop is grown in a season, whether there will be enough food in the region for this year, or whether they need to plan for markets for these crops if they have more than enough. Crop statistics is essential, and it's going to help smallholder farmers in making decisions on what to plant, when to grow, or where to sell their crops. Remote sensing is technology where you collect information without physically being there. The classical method of collecting data, for instance, spectral measurements, you need to collect leaves and take them to the lab and use sophisticated machines like spectrometers to capture the data in the lab. But with remote sensing, it's the process of collecting the same information, maybe with less accuracy, but without any physical contact, using the reflection of light to capture information from the physical object, in our case, crops, particularly sweet potatoes. Now, the drone is just a platform in which we carry our sensors. The sensors could be commercial cameras or specialized cameras like spectrometers and tetracams, which capture images in different wavelengths. And this allows for further analysis that could help not only in estimating the area covered by vegetation, but also hopefully can help in detecting stresses in crops like lack of water or diseases. Drone comes in as a platform for carrying the sensors.
Like now, what we are doing when they ask those Bureau of Statistics at the headquarters, when they ask, for example, we need the information, which area, how many hectares grown sweet potato. The ones who are supposed to provide the data, they just estimate. But by using this drone, it means they will know exactly the real area for the certain crop which is grown. When the statistic is not known, you can't even estimate even for the production. You can't understand the scarcity of food or whatever. But if it is possible to get good data, it means you can estimate it before. Maybe next season there is hunger, next season there is a scarcity of what, or there is a bumper crop. This way let us look for a market. It can help in planning. In the Lake Zone, there are about 6 regions, and each region has districts. So most of the farmers, they depend mainly on the rice, maize, sweet potato. Sweet potato is very important because of this weather changes, climatic changes. It has brought a number of challenges, including drought. And with the drought, it means there is no much maize, because maize needs a lot of rains. There is no much of rice. So sweet potato has to take a charge. Although before it was important in the Lake Zone, now it's becoming more important, because with the sweet potato, you can grow even in short range. So for areas where there is diseases, where the maize can't grow, but with the sweet potato, farmers can get food. The Lake Zone is the main zone which grows sweet potato in Tanzania. It is about 400,000 tons of sweet potato. The orange fresh sweet potato, it has a lot of advantages. It has that orange color content, and now from there, that color, it contains some precursor for vitamin A. So the vitamin A is very important for nutrition, especially for small children under 5. It is also good for eyes. It increases the immunity in the body. So sweet potato, in the other places they say sweet potato is income, sweet potato is medicine. That's the song for sweet potato.
Mimi naitwa Felician Mariko. Ni kuanzia mwaka 2003 mpaka sasa hivi 2015. Kwa sababu viazi karoti kwanza inaongeza vitamini A mwilini. Hapo awali tulikuwa tunatumia dawa za hospitali, lakini kupitia zao la viazi lishe unaweza kujipatia vitamini A. Pili, kutokana na mbegu za viazi lishe unaweza ukauza ukapata pesa na ukapata chakula ukiuza mbegu pamoja na viazi. Wakati mimi nilipoanza kulima zao la viazi karoti, kipato changu kilikuwa ni kwenye 10,000 mpaka 100,000 kwa mwezi. Lakini sasa hivi nimeweza kupata 2 milioni 3 na kuweza kukopesheka kwenye mashirika yasiyo ya kiserikali au kwenye benki kutokana na zao la viazi lishe.
Another thing which is available is a market. Sweet potato marketing. As roots, you can sell, but you can sell when there is scarcity of roots. But when the roots are too much, it means you sell at a very low price, which means the market is still a problem. Marketing of roots, of course, sometimes it is a challenge, because orange freshly sweet potato was not known before. If there is market, even root producers will produce more of roots. If there is market for processed products, processors will be eager to process more. If there is a market for vines or planting material, even the sweet potato multipliers will be motivated to multiply more for selling.
My name is Mwanaidi Ramadhani. I'm a farmer of sweet potatoes, and even I'm a processor. Like you see here, I have different products of orange sweet potatoes. I do that for my family use and even for sale. So I get vitamin A by eating different products every day, and I can get money by selling them. I like orange fresh sweet potatoes because have nutrient or vitamin A, which is very good for the health of the human.